Secret 1. Credit card companies can't prove you owe the debt. When it comes to collecting on credit card debt, the creditor must have enforceable security interest to first do so. The main reason why credit card judgments can be stopped is because credit card companies, if ever challenged, can rarely prove how they are owed the debt. What most consumers don't understand is that the burden of proof is on the plaintiff and not the defendant. What this means is that the creditor must be able to prove you owe the debt and they are the proper party to collect on the debt. Most credit card companies can't prove that consumers owe the debt. They can't make you pay what they can't prove you owe them. Secret 2. Credit card companies want to scare you by filing a lawsuit to make you believe that you are in big trouble. The plaintiff in a credit card lawsuit is generally the credit card company or debt collection agency. Sure, they hire an attorney as a scare tactic by taking the consumer to civil court. Credit card lawsuits are not generally criminal cases. Read your credit card lawsuit, it will generally say civil action. Only in a criminal action can you go to jail, not civil. However, creditors use the courtroom as a scare tactic to make the consumer feel as if they are in really big trouble. Secret 3. Credit card companies depend on you not challenging them in court or appearing. Don't allow having to defend yourself in a court of law scare you away from challenging the creditor. Many well-respected citizens and also powerful people go to court every day on civil action matters. In fact, it is your constitutional right to defend yourself against any action brought against you. Amendment Civ Section 1. All persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. Nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property, without due process of law. Nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. Well, how do these credit card companies and collection agencies keep winning in court? That's because most consumers don't challenge them to actually make them prove that they are the proper secured party to enforce security interest. In fact, most consumers don't even show up to attend the hearing, they just let the creditors win by default. If you fail to make an appearance, the creditor wins against you just by you not showing up to defend yourself. That's how the legal system works. If you don't show up, you automatically lose by default. The creditor wins a default judgment against you.